Kind of curious about this motor. Yeah, we'll have to soak it down. I don't want to mess something up. Starting to move a little bit, but yeah. There you go. All right. Let's see.
It's not a good sign, is it?
No, that's not at all. Kind of wish we would have could have got a little bit more of a story of dry. I don't see this thing turning over. Well. Come back to it. We'll hope for that one either. It doesn't look like. Nah.
I think we're going to have to cut another tree here where it's right up against the fender.
Just hoping there ain't no roots off this little tree here that's grown into anything. Well, at least we got a souvenir we can bring home with us now. I don't really have high hopes of this working.
Well, I prayed about it, so maybe that'll help. If I can get this big one here under it, it'll be better than those.
Sliding a little bit on the... Okay. I think we're good. I think we can take it off. I don't know if it looks sadder sitting out in the woods or on the trailer. Pretty rough old girl, ain't it?
Yeah. They look really neat in that, and you get them loaded up on a trailer or something like that away from their regular spot. They kind of